Hey guys, Carlos Perez, and I wanted to do a demo of how easy it is to lock down and secure a website. So I'm going to go into my dashboard right here, and I'm going to get the code. This is the code that you enter into the website header. And you copy it from the beginning all the way to the top. Make sure you got everything starting from the PHP up here and ending at the question mark caret down here. Once you have that, you see that I have no sites in here added. I'm going to go over to my ibeamads.com site. Now on this, I used a plugin, and the plugin is called Header Footer Post Injections. Once you have that plugin, and you don't have to, this is just an easier way. So this is the head section, the body section, before the body closing footer tag. So I'm just going to go up here and I'm going to throw this code into the header section. And that's going to be on every page so that every page is protected. Now this particular site is just a one-page site, so you can put it over here on one page only as well if you want it. And again, make sure question mark caret up to the PHP question mark. Once that's all done, you'll simply save. Once it's saved, we're going to go to the website and we're going to launch it. And I want you guys to keep in mind and remember, so let me show you again. There's nothing in here right now. And then once I go to the ibeamads.com site, and this site will be completely active by the end of the month. That's the chatbot site. We're going to have our own chat platform, and we're going to be working with people that want to develop, support bots, e-commerce bots, and things like that. So once the site loads, you'll see. If I go back over to my dashboard and just refresh it, you'll see that the site has been added right here. So the website, when it was added, how many visitors, which was me, I just went today. So I've just locked down and completely protected my website by doing nothing more than inserting a little bit of code into the header. You see everything happens automatically. And then from there, I'm able to just monitor, ban IP addresses, and do everything that I need to do. So to preset this up, I'm going to go over to the monitor. I want to monitor against all attacks. Any attack, especially the brute force, which is the password cracking one. We don't want to do the foreign ping because we might actually have someone from overseas that tries to get to the site. We don't want that to happen. The email that I want to be notified at is my carlos@ibeamads.com. And my phone number, so that once I have that, if anyone does try to attack me, I'll get a text message, which I will just respond to that text and will completely shut them down. And I also get an email, and that will completely allow me to shut them down as well. Save all my settings. And there you have it, guys. I just locked down and protected a site. So imagine if you had clients to do this for you. You literally just spent, what, 2 minutes, 3 minutes? And you can charge them $50 for that, or $47. Remember, because you're able to just set your customers up and charge them anything you want to charge them. You're their security consultant. So that's it. That is how the SecureDash lockdown platform works. There's nothing difficult about it whatsoever. Just insert a little bit of code and offer protection.